Most HVAC companies don't need more leads. They need to stop losing the ones they already have. Because what usually happens? The lead comes in, response is slow, booking is manual, follow-up gets missed, and the job goes to someone else. The real growth comes from fixing the system, faster replies, easier booking, automatic reminders, consistent estimate follow-up, and reactivating past customers. That's how you turn the same leads into more jobs. It's not a traffic problem, it's a conversion system problem. Comment, book, if you want the HVAC workflow that fixes this.